Hey everyone, I'm Michelle, and today we're covering how to spot, sift out, and analyze AI-generated traffic in customer journey analytics. With LLMs like ChatGPT driving more web visits, it's impacting data. Think inflated page views, skewed conversions, and user journeys. But don't worry, CJA makes it easy to keep your insights human-focused. We'll cover quick detection tricks, reporting, and segments. Let's jump in. We'll start with detection using 3 signals. No heavy lifting required. First, user agents. These are like digital fingerprints in the browser headers. Flag common ones like GPTBot or ClaudeBot. They're often from AI crawlers. Next, referrers. Check where traffic's coming from. Referrers like ChatGPT.com or Perplexity AI are obvious AI referrals. Last, query parameters. Look for UTMs tagged with AI sources, like UTM source equal to Gemini. Layer these for reliability. One might miss, but together you're covered. Now let's implement these in CJA. Capture these AI traffic signals and derive fields in your data view. These are your non-destructive classifiers. As a side note, a derived field created in a data view is stored in the underlying connection, and therefore it's available in any other data view tied to that connection. For the first derived field, use a simple K-SWIN formula. To get the rule started, we'll look at the treatment for GPTBot. If the user agent contains this phrase, set the custom value as OpenAI agent, or a value of your preference. Do the same for other AI agents and subsequent conditions. Review the documentation on Experience League for additional examples of detection signatures. Now to the AI referrers. We handle this by setting up a new derived field using the URL parse function for the first rule. The value we use is the web.webreferrer.url attribute, which maps to the standard referrer dimension in the reports. Selecting that value preset displays as URL in the role, then choosing the Get Host option will extract what we need. The second part to this field is classifying the output from the first role. Uploading a CSV is handy for setting this up. Again, review the documentation for additional examples of referrer classification values. The last signal comes from the URL parameter UTM source in the referrer. This new derived field is very similar to the previous field, except it uses the Get Query String Value option for the referrer in the URL parse function, and then extracts the UTM source value. With the derived fields handled, we move on to building segments to aid in our analysis and reporting. Create a segment for LLM and AI-generated traffic using your flags, and then use this segment to exclude it from main reports to purify your human data. Add an alert for spikes, like if AI hits 10% of sessions, so that you can stay ahead of the curve. All right, now it's analysis time. Let's keep it actionable. In your workspace project, compare AI versus human behaviors. Do bots consume content fast but bounce on carts? Use fallouts to see journey drops, or cohort analysis for trends over time. Segment by channel too. Is mobile hit harder? This uncovers opportunities like optimizing for AI-friendly summaries, and then review quarterly as AI evolves. And as always, partner with your development team for adjustments. And there you have it. Track AI traffic confidently in CJA, protect your data, and fuel smarter marketing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.